Life is hard, especially if you are a concrete joint, because as well as dealing with the cracks from curing, you have to put up with the heavy road traffic that generates vibrations and cracks. And with so much traffic, the inevitable happens. In the end, cracks and breaks appear which, if not repaired in time, end up breaking the wheels of the stackers or causing back injuries to the operator. So what happens now? Either you fix it as usual with nerves, haste, and discussions with the departments that will be affected, or you fix it Kits Dracfort way. No stress, in much less time, and bomb-proof. Take a look. Here is a typical example of a degraded concrete joint, which we will fix quickly and easily. We will start by analyzing the damage and preparing the substrate to be suitable for resin application. We must make sure that it is resistant, without any disintegration, and that it is free of elements that hinder adhesion, such as humidity, ice, dust, or grease. If the work is carried out at negative temperatures, you should always use the -30-degree version kits. In certain cases, priming is advisable, but on this occasion we will go directly to the RepKit FH mortar. You must follow the quantities indicated and the order in which each product is added for a correct result. Also, in this case, we will incorporate RAL to give it the color of the actual floor. Once we have mixed it well, we can spread it to fill the joint and give it a perfect finish. But always in the Kits Dracfort style, with order and without stress. Note that, although the resin hardens quickly, you have plenty of time to work without problems. Once the resin has hardened, the work will be completely finished, except if the environment of the repair is under the requirement of health or aesthetic regulations. Then we will have to finish with a final seal. After 1 hour, the joint will be perfectly protected. Great news, don't you think? Because a Kit Dracfort today is one less big problem tomorrow.